Hey guys, it's me Sophie, and today we are doing a My Little Pony toy review collection stuff. Yeah. So I'm gonna be showing you some toys. All the toys I have. So we're gonna start with the first one, which is this pony here. I actually forgot what her name was. But could you guys comment down below and say what her name is? But yeah. I forgot what her name was. So, the next we have Fluttershy. She is absolutely adorable. I love how they made her key mark nearly everywhere on her face. She is awesome. So next, oops. Send her. Oh, okay, there we go. So next we have Pinkie Pie. Yeah, this was by, I don't know what to say about this. She's really adorable though. She's really funny. Next, we have Shining Armor, aka Twilight's big brother. He is also Princess Cadence's boyfriend. Yeah. That's what is. I think this is Silver Spoon. Yeah, I lost her glasses, so bad about that. But I really like her necklace. Yeah. Next we have is Pinkie Pie. Another Pinkie Pie as well. I have a couple of Pinkie Pies as well. Next we have the shiny Rainbow Dash. Yeah, they made Fluttershy's one. I don't have her, I think. One's like this as well, but she also has another one, so. Next is Ordinary Rainbow Dash. I love her colored hair, but I don't. Wait, never mind. I love her colored hair. I love how it's a rainbow. I get that. Next is the shiny pinky one. It's really pinkish. Pink, very pink. Next we have I forgot what this was. Anyway, but it was in the episode of something. Flatter. Yeah. So let's move on. So we also have Shiny Alicorn Twilight. So if you guys didn't know, she became an Alicorn princess as well. Because she defeated, wait, no. I don't know. I forgot. But she did get her own castle, and yeah. I love this crown here, but I wish there was color on it, which is really. Next we have, this came with Fluttershy, or maybe it was Rarity. I don't know. But it's adorable. It's a plush thing. It's really adorable. I really like it. Anyway, next we have. I forgot. This pony, this is her cutie mark. And comment down below who this pony is. Put this over here. Next we have Fluttershy's bunny. Hop, hop, hop. I forgot what the name was, but yeah. And next we have Pinkie Pie's pet, which is a crocodile. Has no teeth. That's very strange. A crocodile that has no teeth. But he's really adorable and really funny. That's why he should definitely be Pinkie's pet. I think this is like Diamond Tiara. I forgot something. But yeah, she is a mean girl with this. They're like really best friends. So yeah. But she is pretty. Yeah, she's really pretty, but she's really mean. So here is another shiny Pinkie Pie. I got two, so I'm going to give this away to someone who actually wants it because I already have one. And would it be? And also, I have Applejack, which Rainbow's best friend is as well. And so I love her cutie mark. It really represents her. Yeah. But it did not come with the hat, which is really, really annoying. Next, we have Fluttershy. Like, I love this. It's really pretty. I really love this. Would be my favorite one. Like, this is really pretty. Like, she's so pretty. Next is Princess Cadence, which is Shining Armor's girlfriend. So yeah, she's an Alicum princess as well. Next is Shiny. I forgot his name. I don't know what scrape something. I don't know. Next is, I don't know, but she has, like, it's a shiny one, but she has, like, rarities kind of stuff, but it's definitely not rarity, yeah. And next, which is my favorite one so far, look, these are so squishy, squishy, like, I just love squishing these. Like, these are so squishy. They're really squishy. 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 And you can pull the ear. But I really love, like, these squishies because they're, like, really cute. And, oh my god. And, yeah. So we're just gonna put that right here. Just keep it laying down. And next we have Apple Bloom. She is so adorable. She is Applejack's little sister. She's really adorable. I love it. I love her bow. It's really pretty. And I love her hair. Next we have Shiny Pinkie Pie. She is like really adorable. But here's a weird thing. Her cutie marks are blue. And her eyes are pink. But you can also lift up this part. Like it like that. Okay. Next is Scootaloo. She really wants to be like Rainbow Dash because Rainbow Dash is cool. So yeah, I love these spikes here. And Scootaloo is Rainbow Dash's little sister. She wants to be exactly like Rainbow Dash when she grows up. And look at Shiny Fluttershy. She is really adorable. Oh my god. And her hair kind of oops. And so can under here, yeah. Flutter, flutter, flutter. But she's really adorable and her tail is pink. I mean, it's yellow, like the skin color of her. Next is, Sweetie Belle. She is Rarity's little sister. She is just adorable. She is my favorite as well. She's my second favorite. Apple Bloom is my first. And Scootaloo is my bird. Sorry, Scootaloo. Oh yeah, Spike is here. He is Twilight's best friend as well. He is a dragon. Yeah, in one episode, he wanted to be actually a dragon, and he wanted to see where he was from. And yeah, I totally understand that. And here is Pinkie Pie, not the shiny Pinkie Pie, ordinary Pinkie Pie. And her cutie marks are the same. Yes. Now that's better. And here, I think this is Lyra Heartstrings. I love her cutie mark. It's really pretty. She is Bonbon's best friend, so yeah, she's really pretty. And next we have Rainbow Dash. Yeah, I love her hair. So that's orange. Wait. Oh wait, no, there's purple on her tail. Yeah, yeah. Okay, guys, stick in, look for part 2 of this. Subscribe, and like. Goodbye.